It's Notepad.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. I can hear you. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Some disconnection in between.
Mm.
Okay. So
I,
when that
I, I can see the Notepad.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So are you recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So vendor payment, which code you used in the last?
FBL.
Okay. So
FBL and C.
okay. So I do FBL. Okay. Okay. So let us do some. Let us try with some other transaction codes which are commonly used in vendor, right? So
Okay.
let us, if we book a vendor invoice, right? Book a vendor invoice. Let me log into the system. From next week, you try to join at 11 o'clock, okay?
Okay, sir.
Because 12 o'clock is getting very late actually. So let me. So we in the server now. Uh, so book vendor invoice. Let us go through the. Okay. Preview. Can you see the software?
Not now. No, sir. I can't able to see the software.
Now?
No.
Not yet.
No.
Now I think you're able to see it, right?
Right, sir.
So to book a vendor invoice will be in SAP Easy Access. As I told you that in Easy Access, from Easy Access you make entries, you generate reports and you create master data, right?
Right, sir.
So go to accounting, then you go to this financial accounting, then accounts payable, and then you go to document entry. Okay, in document entry you will find this transaction code FB60 invoice, right?
Mm.
This is the invoice. Now we are in company code 710, but we have to change our company code. So what is our company code?
3500.
3500. So now we are in 3500. We'll be creating the vendor invoice. So what is the transaction code for vendor invoice?
FB60, I believe.
No, that is the transaction code. What is the journal entry? Invoice.
Sorry?
Journal entry, journal entry. Whom we are going to debit and whom we are going to credit. That is what I'm asking you.
Bank, bank to vendor account. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
Bank to vendor account. Can do that.
So when we are posting an invoice or booking an invoice, we generally we credit the vendor and we debit the inventory account, right?
Yeah, stocks. You meant to say stocks or inventory. Okay.
Yes. So in FB60, it is called vendor invoice, booking of vendor invoice, right? So this is the invoice. So basic data I'm going. Whom are going to select? Company code vendor. Which vendor we're using actually? Test.
Test. Yes. Test two.
Test two. Okay. And next we give the invoice date, right?
Mm.
Last time when I showed you 8-43, right, in transaction code.
Yes.
But but when you use transaction code FB60, when you
Mm.
use transaction code F father B for Bombay 60, then you will get whole thing in one screen. In F-43 you won't get the everything, right? So
Mm.
that's why we use FB60. Okay.
Right.
Now, so F4 and F2, we get the date today,
Mm.
right? Now the amount, how much amount we are, booking this invoice. Suppose 1 lakh, right? We are not going to touch the tax part at the moment, not required at the moment. Let us go to simple one, GL account. So here, whom are going to,
Inventory.
yes, inventory. So let us check whether we have created any inventory of raw materials. Yeah, we have created
Inventory of raw material three.
inventory raw materials, right? So it is debit. What will be the amount? 1 lakh,
1 lakh.
right? After
Mm.
putting this, we enter. Then what will happens? It says that entry is required in item text field for account 3. So you have to give the text. What will be the text? The text will be purchase invoice posting, right?
Yes.
Right?
We have
Purchase
to
invoice.
give that, or we can give anything for the reference.
No, text you have to write what you want to see. Narration. If you when you write journal entries, then you write no.
Mm-hmm.
This is debit, that is credit. Then you give the narration, being
Yes. Yeah.
such
Narration. Yes. Yeah.
so this
Exactly.
thing
Yes.
is nothing but a narration.
All
Then
right.
again enter. What is saying? An entry is required in business area. Now I have to give the business area. Since in one place you will have to get everything in one screen. So that is why I'm giving FB60, which are commonly used. So you will use FB60. Okay. Okay. Now what is the business area? Tata Consumer, right? Kolkata.
Yes. Tata Consumer Kolkata.
Now again enter. Now it is C. Now it's the green. So you can see the company address has come. Salt Lake. Oh, bank data is not there because we have not maintained that yet. Clear? Now what we have to do? Now we have to go and we have to go to the document and then we have to,
Save.
no, we have to simulate it.
Acha simulate.
Okay, when you simulate, you can see the entry has been passed. Can you
Mm.
see?
Yes, sir.
Now you save it. This is document overview. Now you save it. So document number 1005 has been posted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now to see the vendor reports, what we have to do? To see the vendor reports, we need transaction code
Uh,
FBL1N.
FBL 1N.
FBL1N.
1N.
1N. Enter.
Slash n देना होगा सर.
No, no, no. FBL, yes, 1N. So now we are on the screen to see the vendor details. So we come here, we select the vendor.
Test to company.
Okay, company code, right?
3500. Okay. Right. Correct.
350. Now open item, right? We'll go
Right.
for open item, normal items. Click here.
Simulate.
So you can
Yes.
see just now you have passed the entry. You can see here 1 lakh, right? It
And the
is due.
bill is showing.
It is
Yes.
due.
We have to pay that.
Yeah, it is due, right?
Mm.
Now
Okay.
let us go back. Give transaction code to see the GL balance. Transaction code /n FS10.
1010.
So now you can see company code, fiscal year, business area, and transaction currency estimating month. Automatically it will extract. Now we give the account number here. What is our chart of accounts?
3500. Same.
So we'll select which account? We select inventory raw materials.
Inventory of raw material.
Now you can see the balance. On the inventory of raw materials, you can see the balance. Debit balance, credit balance. Okay, debit, credit, and this account balance. If you click on other business area, you will have only one business area. So on the basis of one business area, you can see. If you select anywhere here and click on line items, then you can see the line items. Otherwise, this is the balance. Okay. Now, if you want to see the vendor balance, suppose you want to see the vendor balance, then what you have to do?
FBL 1N. No,
Yes.
sorry. FK10N.
No, I'll give a new one. /n FKL
0N.
1N.
Acha 1N. You have given that earlier, but you have deleted that. You have given us the correct one FK10N.
/n FK
10N.
1
0N.
0 N. This is the vendor balance.
Yeah.
Let me see what is the balance of this one. /n FKL 1N. So what transaction code we have given? That is
FK10N.
yes, FK10. Clear?
Clear, sir.
So let me open the notepad. So can you see the notepad?
No, I'm in SAP screen now.
Yeah. Now can you see the notepad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have used? We have used for vendor payment. We use transaction code FB60, right?
Yes, sir.
Vendor invoice. Next, I gave it to see vendor reports.
Yes.
L1M
FBL 1M. Yes.
to see vendor reports. Okay. Next, to see GL balances. General ledger
FK10N.
balances.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
GL balances.
To see uh, FK10N
Vendor balance.
to see vendor balance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in case in case case if you pay vendor in excess, suppose you have paid vendor extra money, excess, or or vendor the vendor has charged you
Excess
more.
amount.
Case if you paid a vendor in excess, suppose vendor
Sorry.
payment was supposed to be 1 lakh, you have paid in excess, or in case the vendor has charged you more, so what you have to do, you
Debit
need
note.
you need you need
Debit note.
to raise a, a debit memo or note.
Yes.
You need to raise a debit memo or note against the excess amount. Okay,
Yes. Got it.
this is clear.
Yes.
But the
Clear.
point is,
How to raise that?
but the point is, but SAP there is no debit memo concept. Remember, in SAP there is no debit memo concept. It is only credit memo.
Yes.
So in SAP there is no debit memo, there is only credit memo. Right?
Right, sir.
So how to to path SAP Easy Access Accounting Financial Accounting Accounts Payable Document Entry Document Entry and then FB65 credit memo. Okay, clear?
Got it. But it's credit memo, not
Yeah.
debit memo.
Because in SAP there is no debit memo concept, only credit memo, right? So how to do that? FB65. So let me go into the screen. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to the part easy access
Accounting,
accounting, then
financial accounting,
financial accounting,
accounts payable,
accounts payable,
document entry,
document entry.
FB6, FB 65. Yeah, credit memo.
Okay. Double click.
Document kg is not defined. We have to give the reference first, na? For
Uh,
that.
document kg is not defined, right?
Mhm.
So how to do that document kg? So slash n OBA7, right? Document type kg. Where is it?
Can't see.
It's not showing kg, right?
No.
Slash n FBKP.
kg.
So kg is not there. New entries. Click on kg. Number it should give anything like 12. Okay. Applicable for vendor, customer. Okay.
Real account.
Assets. Uh, what is the company code? 3500, right?
3500. Yes.
So number 12 is not there. Insert number 12 2023.
2, 3. You have to give the number range. 501 to 2000. 2001 to you can take from 2001.
No,
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 no.
6000,
4000 is there. 4000 is. Yeah, so 4001 you can take.
4,001 to 5,000.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Save. Right now, let me come out of the screen.
Mm,
Now, FB65, right?
yes.
FB65.
65.
Now, document type KG has come.
Yes. Now it's taken.
Yeah. Now, who is the vendor?
Tata. Oh, sorry. Test 2. Test 2 company.
Document date F4,
Today's date.
F2. Okay. So,
Amount, the excessive amount, na?
uh, what is the excess amount?
Mm, Suppose 10,000.
Uh, 10,000. Okay. And what will be the entry now here?
Sorry. Where?
Whom we are going to credit?
We are going to credit our the vendor account.
Now, when we did the initially, we
Mm,
credited the vendor and
Yeah.
debited, right? Debited the inventory. Now we'll do it the opposite one.
Yeah.
We will,
Inventory will be credited and vendor will be debited.
we will
Inventory. Third. Yes.
inventory will credit, right? See, it's showing
Yes.
credit automatically.
Okay.
10,000, right?
Mm. You have to give the narration as well.
After that, what we have to do, we'll enter.
We have to give the narration first.
Account type S is not defined. Account type S. So it is saying account type S is not defined for KG. Okay. Then again, slash N OBA7 KG
Now we have to give
vendor,
the description.
vendor credit.
Correct.
Okay. Credit note.
Mm.
Now slash N FB65 vendor
Mm.
test
Test
company
2 company. Today's date.
F4 F2 amount
10,000. Inventory of raw material. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Narration, we have to give that.
credit memo, right?
Yes.
Again business area.
Business area. Kolkata office Tata Consumer 3500.
This one.
Yes.
Now see, you can see it's green now. It is showing now. Okay. Now what you have to do? You you have
Simulate
to
first.
uh, simulate and then you
Save.
save, post. The one is posted. Right. Now, if you want to see the
Yes.
vendor balance, to see
Yes,
vendor
we can check.
balance, K10N
Yes. FK10
slash
N.
FK10N.
Yes.
And now execute. You can see that this is the thing, na? 1000.
Five fifth one, fifth one, fifth one.
This one, then, yeah,
Yes. And,
right.
yes.
So 90,000. So can you see the how it works, the debit note?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So, and if you want to see the GL balance, slash NFS10 and then enter. So you can see that 10,000 has been
Yeah,
used.
credited on the
Credit.
fifth column. Yes.
Yeah.
But
So this is how you have to. This is a very important thing in the interview. They might ask you, they when if you if you have paid the vendor in excess or vendor has charged you more, what note you are going to raise, debit note or credit note? The answer will be, sir,
debit
normally
note.
we
Uh,
normally we raise debit note, but since there is no debit note concept in SAP, we will be raising a credit note using transaction code FE65.
65.
Okay.
But sir, the credit note, it's been credit from their side, not from our side.
No,
So,
no, we did it from our side. See, now amount has been credited. It has returned back to our side,
okay, got it.
and the balance C is 90,000.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is how we do for this what is called. This is an important point. Okay, so debit code and credit note. Acha, I will close for today because I have to go out. Are you practicing?
Yes, and sometimes I have some rough weekends.
No problem. That is why I am also going slow. I am not going fast
Uh,
with you.
okay,
So
thank you for that, sir.
whatever whatever I am showing you, what I am telling you, that will come in interview, right? And that
Right.
will come into certification. If you plan that you will go appear for certification exam after this training, so whatever I am telling you, you note it down. So this is one thing. Next I'll be, when if vendor asks for advance payment, down
Mm-hmm.
payment. I will show you that one in my next class. But
Okay.
if you join 12 o'clock, it will be a problem. So I would request you that you are joining one class per week. So it is better if you join at 11 o'clock. Okay.
Sure, no issue.
From next Sunday, you try to join at 11 o'clock. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So keep practicing whatever I'm showing you. Whatever codes I've given you, those codes are current codes that are being used, right? That is why I have given from 8-43 I have given you FB60, because FB60 you can see everything in one screen. Okay.
Sir, correct. Thank you,
So
sir.
so practice this debit note and all those things. There are other things also in vendor. There are other scenarios also in case of advance payment, in case of down payment. How are going to manage those things? So those scenarios, those things I'll be doing in
We
my
have to
next
do
class.
split invoicing, na, for that.
I will show you everything. So
Okay.
whatever shown you are today, you keep practicing, and what is called uh, next class. Try to join at 11 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, no issue.
Okay.
Thank you,
And
sir.
this video I'll upload in YouTube, and you can visit in YouTube also. And have you given me this? Have you given like and subscribe? Have you done that?
No, I didn't done that, sir. I just watched it. Okay.
No, no. Today I am
I
uploading
have
it.
your link. I have your link. I will do that. No issue. Today
But before
itself.
but before that, let me upload this video. Okay,
Hmm.
and then you give your likings and whatever. Okay, I'll just share your email ID quickly. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you for joining. See you at 11 o'clock coming Sunday. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye. Thank you.
Thanks.